Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today I want to do a hairstyle video that I want to show y'all. Um, but this was on Saturday that I'm gonna let y'all know that I did this video. But so I'll just get my towel that I get to use. I'm in my mom's bathroom, so that's where I'm at to do my hair. So I'm taking down this hair that I did from last month that I did my hair. So, because I had washed my hair last month. Um, and and I did so. But these are the products that I'm using: combs, cellar stuff, um, all these that y'all see. The first one y'all probably seen the front. That one, the one that I kind of my mom and my mom made our own moisturized hair and our scalp. But all that stuff that I think I already told y'all that some of y'all already know. But so see how my hair looks. It's kind of curly at the end because I had my hair in this style. Um, but I'm taking it down, and so I'm listening to some music, doing in the bathroom too. Um, so that's what I'm doing to kind of like, um, so yeah. But after that, I took it down. But right now, you might hear the heater on the background on this voiceover, because it's cold in my room. But so that's what I'm doing to kind of just, ow, I hit my knee. But I'm just taking it down. It looks so wow. It's from cause messy, and my hair is kind of dry a little bit because I had that in my hair for about like I think I had it for in my hair for about 4 months. Really 4 months in this day. 'Cause- yeah, for about 4 months. I think no, it was this month that I washed my hair. I'm saying it was this month. I don't know what I'm saying, but yeah, I put this dye in. I had it in for about 4 months that I taken down. But so yeah. But yeah, cause I forgot I had washed my hair during this month. I don't know what I'm saying. My mind's on something. It's because this is a new year, probably that's why. But I'll moisturize or in my scalp, moisturize it and kind of get that. Cause my hair do dries up often because of how long you keep the style in your hair for long, for about like a month or weeks. Sometimes I keep my style, the hairstyle in my hair for about like if I for about a month, but I might just keep the same hairstyle in for about the next month or into the springtime. Sometimes they do it over, so that's what I kind of do. But um, right here I'm just using some water, spray water in it. Putting my hair because my hair do kind of like gets dry, so I'm kind of wetting it to loose it up and so I don't really do this necessarily that much, but I kind of like I do put water in my hair to kind of help the water. But water do dry my hair, makes it like a puffy hair. So using that Blue Magic, that's the hair condition, coconut hair condition. That's the other one I'm using, and I spray water on it, kind of loose it up because it helps. Like Blue Magic kind of helps my hair, and I like it. See, that's how. See, y'all, look at my hair. It's smooth when I do use it. It loosens it up when I put water and also using that. With the same stuff with my May moisturized hair, I put in my over my hair a little bit of that. So I'm just gonna let y'all see through the video, and so yeah. Okay, on here, right here, I was trying to comb it at the end. I was trying not to pull my hair because I'm not trying to do that. But sometimes my hair do get kind of hard a little bit at the end, but not really be in the middle of my hair. I'm combing again to get a little, and I'm twisting my hair around, kind of, and I brush it with my detangle brush. So I kind of do that to kind of twist it around to. I didn't put it tight because I don't want to do that, but so I just kind of twisted around because I was gonna like let that, dry up, and so I don't have to put in a ponytail. It'd be better for me to just do like that. I really did that many times when I did it, but I did the front the same way. And also, you probably see on the next part, I did the same way on the side of my hair too. Okay, here, why my hair kind of got curly a little bit, water draws my hair up. If your hair draws up like how my hair do, let me know, because my hair do that. But I'm using this spray. I put it a little bit on my hair, and put a lot. It's this other spray so yellow about. It's for like moisturizing your scalp, and it's for itchy scalp. So I kind of do that to put it in my hair before I comb my hair. So, but I'm combing it right now to comb it up. It looks. I love my hair. I'm sorry, but I love my hair. I really do, y'all. But so I'm just using my own product I made to put it in my hair on the sides and the back of my hair, and because I already put some in my middle of my hair as scalp, so that's what I kind of on there, and I'm just looking. It just looks so wow. Also, I forgot to tell you, I like to take time on my hair. I try not to rush on my hair, so I don't do that, because I think that's not good to kind of like, it's better to take your time on your hair if you're trying to get the style. Sometimes it will get frustrating if you're trying to braid it up, but that's why I was trying to do. Just I like to take my time. That's why the video is gonna be a little long, but not that long. Because I've been cutting out parts of this video that y'all see. So okay, right here, I was trying to part my hair out really good, but I didn't do it that way. But I tried, but it's okay. So I just kind of just left it like that, and I didn't mess with it. Hey guys, welcome back. So this is the next 2 days now. But yeah, I want to show you that look. Right now it's kind of like messed up now. I should have made the ending during that same day, but I was just so tired that night making that video. I was tired from that night to Sunday. But let me show you the hair I kind of like did. So I don't know if you guys see it, but I kind of like did like this. My hair's kind of a little messed up because I, wearing caps, like, when it's cold outside, you wear your cap, beanie cap head a little bit. But the braids I did this really good. I did a little different. I tried really good to kind of get really close to like right here, but I don't want to, like, when you're trying to braid your hair or like these type of things, it's kind of hard trying to, like, you don't want to grip too much of your hair. And I did the other side. This one looks much better than this one because it looks a little funny. It makes my head look a little funny, because I'm right-handed, so that's probably why I'm trying to do like this. That's the only thing. And trying to do on this one, and your arms be hurting. That's why having your shoulder blade be hurting you. Let me show you at the back. So this is the back of the hair. Sorry about that. It's like a little bit because I had braided. Well, my hair is coming apart right here. But this is how it looks. I got my kept thing, not kept my but this is how it looks of it. So look, it look different. I didn't part that really good. That's probably why you might see right here it's a little puffy because one side's down. It's probably because I didn't part it right that well. I kind of did, but mom said it was okay. So I did really good. I'm proud of myself. But that day I didn't wash my hair. It's because I had washed my hair like last month. But my hair wasn't really like, you know, dirty, or I didn't have a lot of products, but right now I kind of do. When I next time do it, I'm going to do this style again. But when I do it, I'm gonna wash my hair really, really good. My hair is like still clean from when I did last month in December. So it's January, but I don't want to, like, you know, wash my hair again because I don't want to do that. It's better for me to, like, you know, I kind of like to keep my hair in my hair for about a month. And sometimes I take it down if I don't like the style. But this one, I did this really good. I just kind of did like this of my hair. You might see that wild hair and look kind of, but yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed it. And I'm sorry that it's not that well, but I hope y'all enjoy. If you like it, just thumbs up this video and comment below. Do you do these hairstyle look? I had put, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, I had braided together these together with this one. Yep. Oh my god, the joy scared me. And also subscribe and press the bell if you are new, and I make videos every week. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter and Snapchat. And also I want to say, y'all probably heard about Kobe Bryant and his daughter, his 13-year-old daughter, about the accident they had. It was a crash accident of him and 9 other people, with also including with his daughter. And I'm just like, I was not gonna put this in this, but I want to say it because it happened Sunday, and I want to say to pray to the families of them and all of them. And it's just a legend of, he's a legend and he will be missed. And I'm just like, I'm about to cry when I heard. I was like, what? I'm like, let's pray for the family of the victim's family, and so that we can. And he was I know I didn't watch basketball sport that much, but I know I heard him so many times growing up. But yeah, but let's pray for them. But I'll see y'all in my next video, and bye y'all. Raindrops, drop top, top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that.